We have access to every brand on the market, but we choose to build our off-grid systems with Victron. Victron is a Dutch company that's been at the forefront of off-grid technology for 50 odd years now. Their transformer-based inverters are super powerful and reliable. Their inverters are chalk and cheese compared to the off-grid ready hybrid inverters that we see flooding the market. A Victron system includes a separate MPPT. This is used to convert solar power into usable energy for the system and charging the batteries. Victron manufacture a raft of other components as well, such as an EV charger, and it's hard to describe just how big of a difference it makes having all of these components communicating to each other seamlessly in the same ecosystem. The Serbo GX is my favorite part of the system. That's the brains unit, and that's Victron's biggest point of difference. They're market leading with their monitoring, and that enables everything to communicate with each other, like I mentioned, such as the inverters, the batteries, solar, generator, and much more. The Serbo allows us to assist our customers remotely so easily, whether it's answering questions about the system upgrades, or troubleshooting. With inferior system monitoring, instead of a quick free fix over the phone, you've got to pay an electrician to come out to site for even the most simple problems. In our journey so far, we've supplied over 5,000 Victron off-grid systems. I believe that history is an accurate predictor of the future. What I mean by that is Victron has serious runs on the board. If you want to set and forget your off-grid power, Victron is your safest bet.